This is a volcano experiment. It requires baking soda and water
And vinegar.
and vinegar. And it's a plastic spoon. What is that called?
A mixing tool,
A mixing tool.
which we're using a chopsticks.
And
something to make a mess of.
an egg. Continue.
We have an egg carton.
Yes. Now it's time to open it. Man, this works.
Set it on the table.
Sit down, too.
I got my new glasses. I got glasses. I got glasses.
Okay, get down and grab those. Give them to Dad. Okay, step 1 is to assemble the volcano as shown on newspaper or another surface, which we are using the egg carton. Okay, now this package came with 3 different mixes. 2 are powders and 1 is food coloring. Yep. So we're gonna put 2 of them, the phosphate and the sodium hydrogen in the top of our volcano. So there's 1. And then we're going to use half of the food coloring. And we're using red. Okay. Now, that's step 2. Step 3 is when you're ready for eruption, quickly pour some water. So the water's in that one. So, okay, now hold on. In the other hand, I need you to get the chopstick, which is going to be your stirring stick. All right, Dad will help with that. So Dad, once he pours water in there, we're going to have to quickly stir it to make it erupt. You might need a little bit more water than that.
It's erupting. It has erupted.
Now you can do this volcano at home with vinegar, baking soda, and food coloring.
It's gonna explode. Actually, it is explode. When is this gonna stop? I think I put too much water.
I think it's all good.
I wonder how it would feel if I touched it.
You're not gonna touch it. You gonna sign off?
Huh? This is how you do an experiment. But after the experiment, do not, I repeat, do not ever touch the lava that came out of it. It will make you sick. Not the germ sick. It will almost make you go up to heaven.
I don't think it's that serious.
It's not that serious,
I think
but
it is.
You gonna say bye to your subscribers?
Bye.